Hello, today I want to show you my Amazon Echo Dot with the wall mount. Let's start off by plugging in the Amazon Echo Dot. It will take a moment to start up. As you can see, it fits very securely. The Amazon Echo Dot lights up, the cord is hidden. And once the Amazon Echo Dot is started up, we will play some music. I personally love this. It's great for me listening to music around the house. Alexa, play Michael Jackson, Beat It.
Beat It by Michael Jackson from Joel's Spotify.
Alexa, turn up volume to max. Alexa, what's the weather like?
In Crestview, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for clouds with thundershowers, with a low of 72 degrees.
Alexa, thank you.
You're welcome.